Hey team, what's going on? Today we're going to look inside the dojo. DFW Jeet Kune Do Academy in Hurst, Texas. Sifu Kirk. It's always kind of a trip to take a look at the place you train when no one else is in there. All the life and energy that's there when you're training, pretty much gone when it's all by itself. But this place is special. This place is nice. This is the ring. This is the octagon. And of course, there's a kids class that always comes in, which brings us to the next point: is what exactly my role is in all this. And well, I get to be punched and kicked, and I don't get to punch and kick back as if it's a fight. My job is to train Rob and not to rough him up or get tough with him. But his job is to practice his techniques and his combos, and his kicks and his punches, and to see what works and doesn't. And if he drops his hands, then I'm gonna make him pay for it. If his ribs are open, I'm going to kick him. But I'm not going to go try to be offensive. It's more defensive type, just so he can be offensive, all in an attempt to train him. I mean, but look at our weight classes. And speaking of weight differences and weight classes.
Oh, you down to what?
Yeah, so I hit 171 this morning.
Oh.
Yeah.
And what were you at?
I was ranging almost to 190. I was, 185, 186, 187.
I had noticed your jawline's a bit more pronounced.
I
just thought maybe it was your hair when you cut it, then maybe it slimmed you down a little bit.
Yeah, well, I don't know, but I didn't really start after they about the same time. Yeah, I guess so.
Just a big change like that. Yeah. And so a lot of change can be snuck in very sneakily.
Yeah.
Dun-dun. Dun-dun. Dun-dun.
So yeah, I don't know. I figure I'll probably settle about 165. So
is that what you're going for?
Yeah. Then I got to see, I guess, what the weight classes are going to be. But I figure I'll drop. But I don't know. I've not ever cut in my life, and I don't know that I want to try to go into anything after a cut. I would much rather deal with somebody being 5 or 6 more pounds than me, than to deal with and I don't know. I just know sometimes you can be fatigued. You can have a lot of other things, and I'd rather deal with pounds than energy or fatigue or.
I don't know what the right answer is. What do you all think? Tell me in the comments. Is it more important to be in the right weight class, or is it more important to not have that fatigue? Let me know.
Yeah, it can. It's a shock doctor, right?
Should have seen him with his gold, with his locks. They were gorgeous.
They were beautiful.
Yes.
They were beautiful.
Although if you're going to be in a fight.
Well, I was going to braid it back. I was going to be braided down.
Like $1 Million Baby?
Yeah, absolutely. I don't know what I was going to do. Maybe have some spike outs or something, go for the peacock.
No fair gravity.
Yeah, go for the peacock.
If you don't mind, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come at you just like a boxer. That's it. I'm just going to use my upper body, and I want to show them why that leg up and using your legs and land at the same time. Okay. Such an effective.
Man, it really is like a Cuisinart, man. I got all these arms and legs coming at me. A leg up blunts half those attacks and allows me to sort of comprehend what exactly is getting thrown at my face.
Like a boxer, and why this is the reason your leg up there is such an effective counter. Anything you want to add?
Well, it has to be, because you can't, of course, if 3 limbs are coming at you, or you have to worry about 3 or 4 limbs at any one time, you're not going to be able to block them with these. So this at least needs to be up there to be able to catch. And legs should usually block legs, and hands should block hands as much as possible. The other part of it is if you're just kind of bouncing around in here this whole time, having that leg up, I'm going to be able to still throw enough at you. The other thing is as you're coming in and you're trying to get your feet underneath you, I'm just sweeping that leg at every time. So when your hands are up, boom, 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 boom. Right, I don't even have to. Yeah, and so it's just going to throw you off. And great. This is really good. Yeah, but see, even like that, as I see that leg coming in, I mean, what am I going to do? So you got to bring it up. You got to step to a side. Now, a real good boxer is, of course, going to start to here.
But are you going to work with those legs?
Well,
I'll look at Kinsu in there.
Yeah, I'll catch you as you're coming around because I'm maintaining range. As soon as you change that distance on me, I'm stepping and kicking to where you're going.
Here I come lumbering onto the scene. Like I said, my job here is not to be offensive. It's just to give him something, a target to hit and kick. And if he's open, to make him pay for it. Yeah, it's a good deal on his end. See there? The whole idea is not supposed to be about getting the advantage. Me. I want him to get the advantage, the training advantage.
Boom. You can play this game.
Yeah.
Right?
And then I can teach, if we're really in close, right, what are you going to do here? We're locked up like this, not here,
Yeah, right.
or here, or here. You know, that's just, so it, you know, it just becomes a real, your base, like we were talking about base and balance, I'm going to just be destroying your base and balance all day, and I'll just, until this.
And you don't feel like you're that close with that boxer.
Yeah, I mean, I'm here, boom, 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 and I do a spin like this, boom, kick that leg out. You're not going to stand on that too much longer.
And of course, what would be training without a little conditioning? So we're going to kick each other's legs a little bit because, well, if your main weapon and tool against me is your legs, I'm going to try to take them out. And so when he gets in the ring, he's going to have people that are going to try to take out his legs and his arms as well as his head. So getting all those bones nice and tough is important. Getting used to them getting kicked and still having to perform is important. And I'm going to help him out. You're welcome, Rob.
Yeah. And then I got a lot going on. You know, we're trying to open a business, we're trying to do things. So I don't know that irritability and, lethargy.
Yeah, this isn't your career.
Yeah, this is not my career. I'm just trying to.
I mean, still doing what's necessary, of course.
Of course.
Of course.
Well, I don't plan to lose. Everybody did. I figure the worst thing is if I lose my first fight.
Yeah, right.
That'll mean.
This didn't age well, did it?
Yeah.
Future me, did it age well? I don't think it did.